Are you playing in the water? Otherwise known as pouring lots of water on you? Yep. Hi. Hi. Is this a good activity? Is this a good activity? Oh, good job, except mostly you're pouring water on you, and I'm pretty sure the water's supposed to stay in there. Where's Ellie? Where's Ellie? There she is. There she is. And build a tower? And build a tower in the water? No, there's one missing. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, there's a tower in the water. Boom, boom. Yeah. What do you think of your cups? What do you think of your cups?